Kunming is not just a capital city of Yunnan, but a delightful destination in its own right. A harmonious blend of eternal spring, rich cultural tapestry, and stunning natural beauty at the gateway to one of China's most diverse regions. During mid-December, the Kunming, also called Spring City, basks in mild, sunny days and crisp, cool nights. Visit Kunming if you like eternal spring climate, mild, sunny weather year-round. Travel to Dali, Lijiang, Shangri-La, and the Stone Forest to see spectacular stone forest, a UNESCO World Heritage Site of ancient, towering limestone formations. To experience the rich traditions of Yunnan's ethnic minorities. To witness thousands of migratory red-beaked seagulls. To see vibrant blooms and massive flower markets year-round. And to enjoy great air quality and natural beauty. Surrounded by mountains and lakes, offering fresh air and outdoor escapes. From November to March every year, thousands of migratory black-headed gulls, often called red-beaked seagulls, arrive from Siberia. Their bodies are mostly white with gray wings, and they have striking red beaks and feet. They migrate thousands of kilometers from Siberia and Mongolia to escape the harsh northern winter. Their arrival in Kunming, typically early November, is celebrated as a sign of the city's welcoming, spring-like climate. Feeding these birds is a beloved tradition. Feeding the gulls is not just a tourist activity. It's a cherished local tradition that dates back decades. For Kunming's residents, going to Qiuhu to see and feed the gulls is an essential part of the winter season. The lakeside is packed with people buying special bird bread or snacks from vendors to feed the swooping gulls. These birds are celebrated winter guests of the city. And interacting with them is one of the most joyful and authentic experiences you can have in Kunming. The food of Kunming is a warm and flavorful reflection of its role as Yunnan's crossroads. It's a tapestry woven from local hand traditions. The bold herbs of ethnic mountain tribes, and subtle Southeast Asian influences. Street markets hum with snacks. Steam pot chicken cooked with medicinal herbs, Shuanwei ham and Erkuai rice cakes, stir-fried or grilled. To drink, sample the local Yunnan coffee or the fragrant pure tea. Kunming streets weave between modern ambition and timeless ease. In the city center, broad, tree-lined avenues like Beijing Road and Renmin Road pulse with traffic. Flanked by shopping malls and high-rises, reflecting its role as a booming provincial capital. Small storefronts spill out with local life. Noodle shops steam with the aroma of crossing the bridge broth. Tea houses buzz with conversation. And vibrant markets sell flowers, Yunnan coffee, and handicrafts. It's a city where you can navigate a modern overpass in the morning. And wander a fragrant, sun-drenched alley in the afternoon. Public parks in Kunming are the city's verdant, social heart. embodying its title as the Spring City. Designed around its famous lakes and gentle hills, they are serene escapes where nature, culture, and daily life beautifully intertwine. The most iconic is Green Lake Park, a dynamic urban oasis where willow-lined paths and arched bridges become a stage for local life. Morning tai kai, folk dances, and from autumn through spring, the spectacular symphony of thousands of migratory red-beaked seagulls diving over the water. Other notable spaces include the Yuantong Temple Park, blending botanical beauty with ancient Zen architecture, and Kunming Zoo Park, a family-friendly hillside garden. Together, these parks are not just scenery, but the essential, breathing lungs and living rooms of Kunming. Kunming Changshui International Airport, KMG, is a major modern gateway. Often a traveler's first impression of Yunnan's Spring City. Located about 25 km northeast of the downtown, it is a spacious, efficiently designed hub renowned for its striking architecture. Its soaring terminal roof is meant to evoke the wings of a flying bird. As China's fourth-largest aviation hub, it connects Kunming to virtually every major Chinese city. And a growing network of international destinations across Southeast and South Asia. The airport is clean, well-organized, and offers a smooth transit experience. Often filled with natural light and greenery, that reflects its regional setting. For travelers, it seamlessly serves its dual purpose. As the essential launchpad for adventures into the heart of Yunnan. Like Dali, Lijiang, and Zhishuangbana, and as a modern, comfortable entry point to Kunming's own unique blend of mild climate and cultural diversity. Kunming is known as the City of Eternal Spring for its mild climate year-round. Capital of Yunnan Province, southwest China. Clean air, green spaces, and relaxed lifestyle. Gateway to Southeast Asia, with rich ethnic diversity. Home to 25 plus ethnic minorities, including Yi, Bai, and Han. Rich traditions in music, dance, and festivals. Famous for Yunnan cuisine, rice noodles, mushrooms, herbal flavors. Blend of ancient heritage and modern city life. Warm, welcoming local culture and slower pace of life. Dianchi Lake, scenic views and peaceful surroundings. Stone Forest Shillin, unique limestone formations. Colorful flowers blooming throughout the year. Mountains, parks, and nature integrated into the city.